Tilt head versus bowl lift. Which is the preferred mixer? In the realm of culinary creativity, few tools are as indispensable as the stand mixer. These kitchen workhorses have revolutionized the way we bake, cook, and experiment with flavors. But as with any tool, the design can make all the difference. Enter the great debate of our time: tilt head versus bowl lift mixers. For the uninitiated, this might seem like a trivial distinction. However, ask any passionate home baker or professional chef, and you'll quickly realize that the choice between a tilt head mixer and a bowl lift stand can be as crucial as selecting the perfect ingredients for your signature dish. Each design brings its own set of advantages and quirks to the table, influencing everything from the way you add ingredients to how you tackle heavy dough. At KD4U, we believe that knowledge is the secret ingredient to culinary success. That's why we've whipped up this comprehensive guide to help you navigate the world of stand mixers. Whether you're a novice baker looking to invest in your first serious kitchen appliance or a seasoned pro considering an upgrade, we're here to help you make an informed decision. So let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of tilt head and bowl lift mixers, ensuring that your next culinary creation is mixed to perfection. Stand mixers. Basics you must know. 1. Basic components. At their core, all stand mixers share similar basic components. The heart of the machine is the motor, which powers the mixing action. Attached to this is the mixing head, which holds the beaters, whisk, or dough hook. The mixing bowl sits below, ready to contain your culinary creations. However, it's in the design of how these elements interact that we find the key differences between tilt head and bowl lift models. 2. How stand mixers work. Stand mixers operate on a simple principle. The motor rotates the attachment, be it a beater, whisk, or dough hook, within the stationary bowl. This motion incorporates air into batters, creams butter and sugar, and kneads dough with a consistency and endurance that would make even the most dedicated baker's arms tired. The ability to add ingredients while the mixer is running is a game changer for many recipes, allowing for seamless incorporation of components. 3. The role of design in mixer functionality. The design of a stand mixer isn't just about aesthetics, though that certainly plays a part in many kitchens. The way a mixer is constructed directly impacts its functionality, ease of use, and even the types of recipes it excels at handling. This is where the distinction between tilt head and bowl lift designs becomes crucial. Tilt head mixers, a closer look, one mechanism and operation. A tilt head stand mixer, as the name suggests, features a head that tilts back from the base. This design allows easy access to the bowl and attachments. To use it, you simply lift the head, attach your chosen implement, lower the head, and start mixing. When you need to add ingredients or scrape down the sides of the bowl, you can quickly tilt the head back without removing the bowl. 2. Advantages of tilt head design. One of the primary benefits of a tilt head mixer is its accessibility. The ability to easily lift the head makes it simple to change attachments or add ingredients mid-mix. This design is particularly user-friendly for those who frequently need to check their mixtures or scrape down the bowl. Tilt head mixers are often more compact, making them a favorite for home bakers with limited counter space. 3. Potential drawbacks. While tilt head mixers offer great convenience, they do have some limitations. The mechanism that allows the head to tilt can sometimes become less stable over time, especially with heavy use. Additionally, the maximum capacity of tilt head mixers is generally smaller than their bowl lift counterparts, which can be a drawback for those who frequently work with large batches. 4th, ideal uses and applications. Tilt head mixers shine in everyday baking tasks. They're perfect for whipping up cake batters, cookie doughs, and frostings. The easy access makes them ideal for recipes that require frequent additions or checks. For the average home baker, a tilt head mixer often provides the perfect balance of functionality and convenience. Bowl lift mixers. In-depth analysis 1. How bowl lift mixers function. A bowl lift mixer operates differently. Instead of the head tilting back, the bowl is attached to arms that raise and lower it into position. To use this type of mixer, you attach the bowl to the lift mechanism, secure your chosen attachment to the fixed head, and then use a lever to raise the bowl into the mixing position. 2. Benefits of the bowl lift design. Bowl lift mixers are renowned for their stability, especially when working with heavy doughs. The fixed head provides a sturdy base for mixing, which can be particularly beneficial when kneading bread dough or working with large quantities. These mixers often come with larger bowls, making them suitable for bigger batches. The design also allows for a more powerful motor, as the head doesn't need to accommodate a tilting mechanism. 3. Limitations to consider. The trade-off for the stability of a bowl lift mixer is a slight reduction in accessibility. Adding ingredients or scraping the bowl requires lowering the bowl, which can be a bit more time-consuming than simply tilting back the head. Additionally, bowl lift mixers tend to be taller, which might be a consideration if you have limited vertical space in your kitchen. 4. Best scenarios for bowl lift. Bowl lift mixers excel in scenarios that demand power and capacity. They're often the go-to choice for serious bakers who regularly work with bread doughs, large batches of cookies, or multiple cakes. In professional settings, the durability and capacity of bowl lift mixers make them indispensable workhorses. Power and performance comparison 1. Motor strength and durability. When it comes to raw power, bowl lift mixers often have the edge. Their design allows for larger, more powerful motors without compromising stability. However, many high-end tilt head mixers now offer comparable power, closing the gap in this area. The KitchenAid stand mixer, available in both designs, is known for its robust motors regardless of the style. 2. Mixing efficiency and consistency. Both styles can achieve excellent mixing results, but their efficiency can vary depending on the task. Tilt head mixers often excel at incorporating air into batters and creams, making them great for cakes and frostings. Bowl lift mixers, with their powerful motors and stable design, are particularly effective at handling dense doughs in large quantities. 3. Noise levels. During operation. Noise levels can vary significantly between models and brands rather than being strictly tied to the tilt head or bowl lift design. However, the more powerful motors often found in bowl lift mixers can sometimes result in slightly higher noise levels during operation. 4. Energy consumption. Energy consumption is generally more related to the power of the motor than the specific design of the mixer. However, the efficiency of use can play a role. If a tilt head mixer allows you to complete tasks more quickly due to easier access, it might result in lower overall energy use for some recipes. Capacity and versatility 1. Bowl sizes and maximum capacities. Bowl lift mixers typically offer larger capacities, with bowls often ranging from 5 to 7 quarts or more. Tilt head mixers usually come with bowls in the 4.5 to 5 quart range, though some models offer larger options. The KitchenAid mixer line, for instance, offers various sizes in both designs to cater to different needs. 2. Compatibility with various attachments. Both tilt head and bowl lift mixers can accommodate a wide range of attachments, from dough hooks to pasta makers. The compatibility is often more brand-specific than design-specific. However, the stability of bowl lift mixers can sometimes give them an edge when using attachments that require more power or put more stress on the machine. Ease of use and ergonomics 1. Accessibility of the mixing bowl. Tilt head mixers generally offer easier access to the bowl and attachments. The ability to simply lift the head makes it quick and easy to add ingredients, scrape down the bowl, or change attachments. Bowl lift mixers require lowering the bowl to access it fully, which can be slightly more time-consuming but offers greater stability during mixing. 2. Comfort. During prolonged use. For extended baking sessions, the ergonomics of each design can make a difference. Tilt head mixers often require less effort to check on your mixture or add ingredients, which can be beneficial during long baking marathons. However, the stability of bowl lift mixers can reduce vibration and movement during heavy-duty tasks, potentially reducing fatigue. Space efficiency and storage. 1. Countertop footprint comparison. Tilt head mixers generally have a smaller footprint on your countertop, making them a popular choice for kitchens with limited space. Bowl lift mixers, while often larger, can sometimes tuck more easily under cabinets due to their fixed head design. 2. Height considerations for under-cabinet storage. When it comes to storage, height is a crucial factor. Tilt head mixers are typically shorter when the head is down, but require more vertical clearance when the head is tilted back. Bowl lift mixers are taller overall but maintain a consistent height, which can be advantageous if you plan to store your mixer under kitchen cabinets. Final thoughts. Choosing between a tilt head and a bowl lift mixer ultimately depends on your specific baking needs, kitchen space, and usage frequency. Tilt head mixers offer the convenience of easy access and are typically more compact, making them ideal for casual bakers or those with limited space. On the other hand, bowl lift mixers provide robust power and larger capacities, which are essential for professional kitchens or avid home bakers tackling heavy dough and large batches. Both types of mixers have their advantages, and recent technological advancements have further enhanced their functionality and versatility. Regardless of the type you choose, investing in a quality stand mixer tailored to your needs can elevate your baking experience, providing consistency, efficiency, and enjoyment in your culinary endeavors. Remember to consider warranty and customer support when making your decision to ensure a reliable product that will serve you well for years to come. Happy baking! Meta description. Explore the differences between tilt head and bowl lift mixers. Find your perfect KD4 Use stand mixer for baking and cooking adventures.